This is the home screen of the VPN application. This is a India-based VPN application here. So when you tap on the full version, which is the official version, we'll just redirect to Play Store. Just tap on the light version or light option here, and you'll be able to start using the VPN connection. So at the top here, you'll be able to select your Indian servers, and as well, you do get other options here. We'll say to download the full version, which pretty much means the official application, but you'll be able to only use these Indian servers here. As well, you do have the favorite section. It will just redirect you to the other servers, but you'll be only able to use the Indian servers, which are just 3 Indian servers to be able to use. You can select any one of these, and yeah, that's pretty much the application servers. And as well, if you do want to connect to the VPN application, just tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request, just tap on OK, and the VPN will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, it's pretty much connecting, and once it's connected, you're pretty much good to go. So over here, you do have other options as it relates to the settings feature here. As you can see here, yeah, the recommended section here, auto connect. Anytime you have open application, it will automatically connect. Also have the option to select the VPN connection protocol. If you don't know much about these, I recommend to let it stay as it is, but you can look up on Google or Ask AI, pretty much explain any one of these for you to make sure you're selecting the right one as it relates to speed, reliability, and so forth. So do make sure you look up every one of these before you select the one that you want to use. And as well, you have some different features here as well. But these, you pretty much have to get the full application to be able to use those servers. So here, I'm pretty much connected. As you can see here, I do get 2 hours of free connection time with this VPN application. You won't be able to add any time or anything like that, so do keep that in mind as well. But that's really pretty much how you use the application. And if you do want to disconnect it, you just tap on the disconnect option here, and it will be disconnected. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if it can help you out. See you in the next one.